So I'm gonna explain a little bit about the drawing panel and how it works. First you see the draw.swf, SWF, and if you open it, it will open the animation just like the online preview, and on the right top side you have the use drawing panel button. If you click it, you can see you can draw shapes, draw holes, and so on. If the easiest is just click, save it, close panel, and it will already use this shape. But probably you want something more sophisticated, so let's clear it. And just to show the general idea, I'm gonna import an image, and notice that the image, it will have to be in the same folder because it's loading locally from disk. So in the same folder I select a picture. It's a picture of Santa Claus. I can make it a little bit smaller, a little bit more transparent, and move it a little bit. Each time you move it, you have to click it, the move button, otherwise it will start drawing. So, oops. I can start drawing now, but I'm gonna turn off snap to grid, horizontal and vertical, so I can draw at any point without snapping to the grid. General idea is that first you select a rough shape, and then you can hover each point, and the white and green point decide which line is selected. If you click straight round, that's where you can create round curves. Straight round, you can see creating round curves. No, this is enough. Let's do this one. And now you can see if I click save and close panel, it will already create round curves. What else is there to know? If you click, let's draw the mouth. First of all, I don't want the main shape to be selecting its dots each time, because I'm gonna draw a hole, so I'm gonna turn off the dots. Now I can draw a hole, and I do the same thing, create curved lines. So I created the mouth. I'm gonna turn it off, and if you save it and close it, you will see it made a hole. So let's go back, and that's the general idea. There's a few things which you might find useful. If you select a shape or a hole, you can drag it around and you can delete it depending on what you select. If you drag a shape around, it will also drag all its holes around. You can snap to grid if you like. Let's clear everything, delete the picture. If you draw now, it will select points snapping to the grid. If you want, you can also snap anchors to the grid. You see it will snap to the nearest point. What else is there to know? You can delete points, delete holes. If you want to save your shape to XML or class file, you can click one of these buttons, and you can also import the same data back. Let's just give you an example. If you want to import data, you have, for instance, this file contains 3d.xml. It already contains a number of shapes, including all the fonts. Let's open it in Notepad, and you'll see it already has a number of shapes. I included a Windows logo. If you select this logo from XML, copy it, and import data, select XML, paste it, and click import, it already create the shape. If you, for example, want to make changes and save it back to some new file, you click the button on the left bottom, XML code, and you give it some name, new window logo. Click OK, and you can copy this one, close it, and then open the same file and paste it back. What else is there to know? Ah yeah, you can create multiple shapes, new projects, so it will make sequences of different kinds of shapes. Go back and forth, create another one. Now you have different shapes. You can turn off, sometimes it's useful to hide everything if you want a dot somewhere behind and it's annoying. You can turn all the main buttons off or temporarily to invisible, turn them back on. You can zoom in, that's something useful sometimes if you want to draw with more details. Click the reset button, close it. Those are the main features of the application. It's not really difficult once you have used it once or twice, and if you have any questions you can always email me and I'll answer them as best as I can. Hope you have fun with it.